video, we are going to see about the differences between JIT and AOT compilers. So JIT is just-in-time compiler and AOT is ahead-of-time compiler. What is JIT? What is AOT? Both are compilers. So it will be used for compiling Angular application and TypeScripted codes into JavaScript codes. That's the main usage of these things. So why we use JIT and why we use AOT? AOT means the main differences between these two are JIT is for development mode. So whenever we need to debug something and we need to find some issues and again we are upgrading means we have to use this development mode. AOT is for production mode. So once it is production mode, everything will be uploaded as a bundle. So there will be no last minute changes and we need to be careful on each AOT compilation. So that's the main differences between these two. JIT is just-in-time compiler and AOT is ahead-of-time compiler. For JIT compiler, we didn't give anything new in the code. We just give in the usual syntax. But for AOT, we need to give the hyphen AOT. Like ng build will be do JIT compilation, but AOT means we need to give like ng build hyphen AOT like that. So that is the main difference between these two, but running and all will be same. Only the compilation parts will be different. Both will be working as similar, but AOT is for the production and JIT for development. So based on your requirement, choose these two things. Here I have given some three main differences. I already told you, right? JIT is for development and AOT is for production. The same thing is listed here, and how this compilation works like. I think I have given this one. Compile JIT compiles a wrapper that in the browser at runtime, but AOT compiles first and build will be easy for running the application to the server. So that is the main differences between these two. And other small things I given here in the second point. So just go through it. Okay. Thanks team. Thanks for the support.